Babylonian Mathematics, Quadratic Problems, Example 8.2. Solve for x if x squared equal to 5x minus 4. Well, in this case, I'm again going to set this equal to 0. So I'm going to start by first subtracting a 5x from both sides. And I'm also going to add a 4 to both sides. Okay? Or you can just transpose those terms over to the left-hand side, recalling that if you transpose or move a term to the other side of an equation, it changes sign. So when I move the 5x over to the left-hand side, it becomes negative 5x. When I move the negative 4 over to the left-hand side, it becomes a positive 4. And what I have here now is a trinomial that needs to be factored. So we're going to factor this trinomial into the product of two binomials. Hopefully you remember doing this in a previous algebra class. And we're going to put x's in the first spots or first terms in our binomials. And we're now going to look for two numbers that multiply to positive 4 and add to negative 5. So two numbers that would multiply to positive 4 and add to negative 5 would be negative 1 and negative 4. And you can check this by multiplying. Hopefully you guys remember how to FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. The idea here is to find two numbers that multiply to the last term in the trinomial, that positive 4, and that add whose outer, your outers and inners, when you multiply these two guys together, they add up to the negative 5. All right, that's the idea if you've kind of forgotten. Okay, so I have two factors multiplying to 0, so one of them need to be 0. So either x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So if x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x equal to 1 is one of my solutions. And if x minus 4 is equal to 0, then x equal to positive 4, because 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, is my other solution.